Patchogue. This is exteriors of Long Island on Paul. We did the roof and the siding. In the process of doing the siding. The vinyl is done. See where the house wrap is? That's going to be stone, cultured stone, going across there. And we're going to be doing a deck off the steps. That comes later. The roof got done. Siding's done. Let's take a walk around here. This is royal siding. This is estate blue. Very nice color. Double 4.5 Dutch lap with the cedar shake, Portsmouth shake in the front. Came out very nice. Alright. Let's take a walk around. See that? It's going to look nice with the stone there. I'll take those pictures soon. Come around the side here. All the wires, the meter and all that, nice and neat. We did white corner posts here. New soffit. Gutters are going on Thursday. Back here. Real nice and clean now. New soffit. New split boxes around the pipes, around the hose bib. Come around the side here, the back. Nice and neat. Great color. Beautiful roof. GAF roof. Architectural shingles. Lifetime warranty. Can't miss with this. That's the other side. Very nice. Very nice.